Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open the screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list. And what you have to do next is to hold down combination power key and volume down for about half a second together. And that's how you take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down. And that's how you take screenshot on this device. You can find your screenshot in gallery, in the screenshot album. Here it is. And from here you can change, edit, share or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.